Hello kids, how are you? Hope you are fit and healthy at home. Myself, Komal Kaur Sethi, representing Shiv Jyoti Educational Group, Kota. Today I am here to teach you chapter 7, doing words. So kids, open your book and turn to page number 37. Kids, what are you doing now? You are watching me, you are listening to me, you are studying. So, watching, studying, listening, these all are doing words. So, doing words tells actions and activities around us. Let's begin. A girl writes, a boy listens to music. So, look at the picture given above. Each picture shows what the naming word does. So, children, what is naming word? Naming word tells about the names of places, animal, thing and persons. So, here a girl writes. Naming word is girl, and what does the girl do? She writes. So, action word is writes. A boy listens to music. So, here naming word is boy, and what does the boy do? He listens. So, action word is listens. Words that tell us what the naming word do are called doing words. So, whatever the work done by naming words are called doing words. They are also called verbs or action words. They are also called verbs or action words. Let us read some examples of action words. Jump, you all love jumping. Clean, dancing, you all love dancing. Brush, you brush your teeth in morning. Sleep, S-L-E-E-P, sleep, you sleep at night. S-K-I-P, skip. Bath, B-A-T-H, bath. You bath in the morning. Drink, D-R-I-N-K, drink. What you drink? You drink a glass of milk. Climb, C-L-I-M-B, climb. So, children, all these words are action words. Doing words with ing. Now, we will learn doing words with ing. So, look at the picture. What is the boy doing? He is reading a book. So, here doing word is reading. Look at the picture. What is the family doing? They are eating food. So, here doing word is eating. What is the girl doing? She is writing in a notebook. So, here doing word is writing. When we add ing to doing words, we follow these rules. Let us learn some rules. Okay? We add ing to some doing words without making any changes. So, children, there are some doing words which remain unchanged. Let's learn. Walk. When ing is added to walk, it becomes walking. Read, when ing is added to read, it becomes readed. So, here you can see walk remain unchanged, read remains unchanged. So, let us move to next rule. With some doing words that end in E, we drop the E before adding ing. So, here what we have to do? We have to drop letter E. So, G-I-V. Here in give, last letter is E. So, here we will drop letter E and add ing. So, it becomes giving. Same with hide. Hide also ends with letter E. Here we will drop letter E and add ing. So, it becomes H-I-D-I-N-G, hiding. Now, we add ing to some doing words after doubling the last letter to the word. So, what we have to do here? We have to double the last letter. Cut becomes cutting. Here we double the letter T. So it becomes C-U-T-T-I-N-G, cutting. Swim becomes swimming. So here last letter is M, and when we add ing, it got doubled. It becomes S-W-I-M-M-I-N-G, swimming. Let us see some more examples. Bake. Here last word is E. Sorry, last letter is E. So after adding ing, it becomes B-A-K-I-N-G, baking. Here what we do? We drop the letter E, and when ing is added to it, it becomes baking. So here you can see a girl. Riya is baking a cake. So what is Riya doing? She is baking a cake. So here doing word is baking. Smile. Smile ends with letter E. So we have to drop it and add ing. So it becomes S-M-I-L-I-N-G, smiling. A girl is smiling. So what is the girl doing? A girl is smiling. So here doing words are baking and smiling. Now we will learn doing words where we will double the last letter. So hop becomes hopping, last letter is P, it will double, H-O-P-P-I-N-G, hopping. Ram is hopping. So what is Ram doing? He is hopping. S-O-B, sob. Here also we will double the last letter, so it will become sobbing. Sita is sobbing. So what is Sita doing? She is sobbing. So here doing words are hopping and sobbing. So kids, I hope you have understood the chapter well. Children, now we will do bookwork of this chapter. You have to do bookwork in a beautiful handwriting, okay? Question A, underline the doing words in the given sentences. So what you have to do? You have to underline doing words in the sentences. Number 1, my mother sleeps at 10 o'clock. So children, what does mother do? Mother sleeps. Underline the word S-L-E-E-P-S, sleeps. Now look at number 3, the boy crosses the road. So what does boy do? Crosses the road. Underline the word C-R-O-S-S-E-S, crosses. Now look at number 5, Rama likes apples. So what does Rama do? Like something, okay? So what is the doing word? L-I-K-E-S, likes. Rama likes apples. Now children, next question, question B, fill in the blanks with doing words, choose them from the strip. So children, some doing words are given to you in a helping box, okay? You have to look at the picture and fill the blanks using them. Number 2, number 1 has been done for you, so we will do number 2, the cat dashed milk. So what does cat do? Cat drinks milk, okay? D-R-I-N-K-S, drinks. Write down drinks over here. Now look at number 4, Mr. Singh dashed dinner. Look over here. What does Mr. Singh do? Cooks. C-O-O-K-S, cooks. Write down cooks over here. Now number 6, the ducks dash in a pond. So children, what does ducks do? Ducks swim in the pond. Answer is S-W-I-M, swim. Okay. Number 7, the moon dash at night. So children, at night what does moon do? Moon shines, okay? And write down S-H-I-N-E-S, shines over here. Now children, we are moving to question number C. Read the naming words, circle the actions they cannot do. So children, some naming words are given to you here and some actions are given to you, okay? You have to choose the one that they cannot do, जो वो नहीं कर सकते, that they cannot do. Babies. Babies can cry, yes, babies cry. Babies can crawl, yes, babies can crawl. Babies can fly, can they fly? No, so we will circle FLY, fly over here, because in this question we have to circle the actions that they cannot do. Okay, now look at number 3, dogs. Dogs can write? Can they write? No, so we will circle WRIT, eat right. They can bark, they can run, they can dig, but they cannot write. Now look at number 4, monkeys. Monkeys can climb, yes, they can climb on trees. They can cook, can monkey cook? No, so we will circle COOK, cook. They can chatter, yes, they chatter. They can jump, yes, monkeys can jump. Okay, children, now we will move to our next question, question number D. Given below are some things Gerald's family does for him. Look at the picture and complete the sentences. So children, here are some things that Gerald's is a name of a person, family does for him. Okay. So let us start with number 1, my father dashed for me. So Gerald says that my father dashed for me. Look over here, what is Gerald's father doing? Gerald's father cooks for him. Okay, my father cooks for me. Write down COOKS, cooks over here. Now look at number 2, my brother dashed with me. Here you can see Gerald playing with his brother, so answer is plays, PLAYS, plays. My brother plays with me. Number 3, my mother dashed me to school. Here you can see Gerald in a car with his mother, drives to school. My mother drives me to school. Write down DRIVES, drives over here. Now look at number 4, my grandmother dashed me do my homework. Here you can see Gerald with his grandmother and she is helping him do his homework, right? So my grandmother helps, HELPS, helps me do my homework. Number 5, my grandfather dashed me to the park. Here you can see Gerald with his grandfather. Gerald is a small boy, so his grandfather takes him to the park. Write down TAKES, takes. My grandfather takes me to the park. Now look at question E. Look at the pictures and complete the sentences. Choose words from the strip. So children, you have to look at the pictures and complete the sentence with help of doing words given in the helping box. Number 1, 2 children are dash books. You can look over here, 2 children are dash books. So here you will write reading. So they have books with them on table. So they are reading. 2 children are READING, reading books. Okay. Now look at number 2. Eddie is dash a kite. So what is Eddie doing? What you do with kite? We fly kite, right? So you will write flying over here. Eddie is FLYING, flying a kite. Now look over here, the children are dash. You can see children, what are they doing? They are hooting, so they are shouting, okay. So they are making loud noises, right? So you will write SHOUTING, shouting over here. Now look at number 6, Amjad is dash. So here you can see Amjad with a canvas and board, and what is he doing? He is painting. So you will write Painting, painting. Amjad is painting. Now children, look at question F. Look at the pictures and tick the correct sentences. So children, you have to look at the picture and tick the correct sentence and choose the correct sentence. Okay. Neha, here you can see one girl called Neha with horse. So Neha is swimming. Can you swim with a horse, sitting on a horse? No. So correct sentence is Neha is riding. You will put tick in front of Neha is riding. So what is she doing? She is riding. Rahul is walking. Here you can see rope, skipping rope, right? So can you walk with a rope? No. So what is Rahul doing? Rahul is skipping. This is the correct sentence. Put tick in front of Rahul is skipping. Okay. Now look at number 4. Sumesh is cooking. Sumesh is washing clothes. So children, here you can see Sumesh with a washing machine. So children, is it possible to cook with washing machine? No. So what is Sumesh doing? Sumesh is washing clothes. So put tick over here in front of Sumesh is washing clothes. Now children, we will do question G. Put a tick for a good action and a cross for a bad action. So children, there are good action and there are bad actions. Okay, you all are good children, so you are supposed to do good actions. Okay, we will put tick in front of all good actions and cross in front of all bad actions. Number 1, pinching your friend. This is very bad. You should never pinch anybody. So we will put cross over here because this is bad action. Sharing chocolates with someone. Yes, sharing is a good habit. So we will put tick over here. Number 3, eating more than you can. So children, is it good to fill your plate full? No, you should always take that much food that you can eat. So eating more than you can is wrong. So you have to put cross over here. Lending your crayons to a friend. Children, lending something to your friend or your relative is a good action. Okay, helping others is a good thing. So you will put right over here. Now helping others, this is good action. You will put right over here. 6, talking all the time. So children, talking all the time, is it good? No, we should not talk all the time. So this is bad action. Put cross over here. Number 7, kicking other children. So children, is it good to kick someone? No. So we will put cross over here. Greeting people. Yes, children, we should always greet our friends and elders. So this is good action. Put right over here. Number 9, talking rudely to parents. Is it good to talk rudely to anybody? No. So we will put cross over here. Number 10, obeying parents and grandparents. This is a very good habit. You should always obey your elders and your parents and your grandparents. So put right over here. Question H, find and circle the following action words in the grid. So children, you have to find some action words in a grid. Look over here. Number 1 is SWING, swing. Swing is here in a 3rd row. Okay, then blow. Where is blow? Blow is here in the 2nd last row. BLOW, blow. Then sit, SIT, sit. Sit is in a very first row. Circle it, SIT, sit. Then wash. Wash is in 4th row. WASH, wash. Circle it, children. Then stand. Here in the last row you will find S-T-A-N-D, stand. Then run, you will find run in second row, circle it R-U-N, run. So children, our book work is over here. Do your book work neatly in a beautiful handwriting.